I want a story!
What type of story do you want, honey?
Dumb. Where do we come from, Grandma? Why do we live underground? It's a dumb story. You're a dumb girl.
Shut up! It started millions of years ago with your great.
Why are you so dumb all the time?
God, I can't understand.
Before monsters, there were teddy bears.
Grandma, not that far back.
Shut up!
Good story!
Shut up! Anyway, teddy bears all lived on land. They were yellow, fuzzy, and diurnal hunters.
What does that mean? Is that like urinal, like I pee on a urinal?
No, it means they hunted during the day.
Does that mean I'm nocturnal?
No, it means you're nocturnal.
Grandma, can I go to bed?
No. As their numbers increased, they began to run out of space and resources. As a result, the teddy bears had to adapt to a new environment.
To adapt to the shortages, some members of the teddy bear tribe began to explore the water. Over time, the teddy bears with the traits that were best suited for water survived and served as the common ancestors for today's water monsters. This occurrence is called natural selection because the environment caused certain genotypes to be favored against others. Mutations also played a role in the evolution of the teddy bears. While the creatures lived in the water, a mutation occurred in the offspring of some of the creatures so that they had 3 fins instead of 4. This mutation was beneficial because it allowed for the water monsters to swim faster. This increased chances of survival because the water monsters could catch more prey and outswim predators. The mutation was caused by the deletion of one adenine base in the DNA sequence. As a result, the entire sequence shifted to the left and the proteins that the codons coded for completely changed.
The alleles for the 3-fin mutation in the original 4-fin trait followed Mendelian genetics. The 3-fin mutation was the dominant trait, so when a homozygous 4-finned monster reproduced with a homozygous 3-finned monster, the offspring were all heterozygous and they all had 3 fins. When 2 heterozygous individuals were crossbred, they produced some homozygous dominant 3-finned monsters, some heterozygous 3-finned monsters, and some homozygous recessive 4-finned monsters. Over time, natural selection favored the 3-finned phenotype, so the recessive allele for the 4-finned monster became less and less apparent in the population's gene pool.
Those that did not move to the sea also had mutation in the population, which affected the gene pool and resources. To combat extinction, some of the bears became nocturnal monsters, and others remained diurnal.
Through many mutations and the inheritance of new traits over many years, the diurnal monsters developed bigger claws in order to help them hunt. The claws also turned brown or green so that they would be better camouflaged on the forest floor.
But Grandma, we have claws too, and we're nocturnal monsters.
You're right.
Of course you're right. She's always right. I hate her.
Shut up. You see, the diurnal and nocturnal claws are homologous structures because the internal bone structure is the same, but the functions are different. We use our claws for digging our homes in the dirt, while they use their claws to kill prey. These homologous structures are evidence that diurnal and nocturnal monsters evolved from a common ancestor. Another example of evolution is our eyes, which are vestigial structures. While eyes may have been useful for our diurnal ancestors, they are useless in our dark environment, so we no longer see. In nocturnal monsters, natural selection favored mutation that promoted hearing in favor of eyesight. That's it. That's where we come from.
Well, that's dumb.
Oh my gosh.
You're dumb.
Pee.
I hate you.
Oh my goodness.
I hate you, Grandma.
She just bit me.
She bit me again.
Grandma, she keeps biting me.
I hate everyone.
She pulled my hair.
I want to.
오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 Hey sexy lady 오빤 강남스타일 Hey sexy lady 위는 놈, 그 위에 나는 놈 Baby baby 나는 뭘 좀 아는 놈 위는 놈, 그 위에 나는 놈 Baby baby 나는 뭘 좀 아는 놈 You know what I'm saying?
She bit my cat.